Y'all's favorite cat just brought back a kill. Over there in that little patch of there's a little black thing left in the kill she killed. And there's Seela herself right now. See if she can look up at us. Nope. I managed to get her to come up, and now she's looking in at you all. See if we can open this window. Hello there. Hello, Seela. How are you? Seela. Hello. Say hello to your viewers. Man, you're wet. Well, that's probably because you're hunting. Yeah. Oh no, is your paw hurt? No, you're just wet. Hopefully, anyway. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you want to see more of Seela and her cute looks.